Horseshoe Cove RV Resort. We have arrived. Heading to Bradenton Beach, and we have a drawbridge ahead of us, so waiting until the drawbridge has been lowered so we can continue. We're almost there. It's about a mile from here to the beach.
In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Okay. We'll turn left here and we'll go down. Okay, we're here at Bradenton Beach, or Cortez Beach actually, and it's a beautiful evening, 86 degrees water temperature. Just went into the water, the ocean. It was wonderful. The sun is setting in about 30 minutes or so. Good morning from the Horseshoe Cave RV Resort in Bradenton. Spending here the Labor Day weekend, and it's a pretty nice park. It's a 55 and over park. I see right here on the map. We're actually here at this location, and they have a nice nature trail area right here. I want to walk that second. And yeah, it's a Braden River, along the Braden River. It's about 30 minutes from the beaches. Cortez Beach, Bradenton Beach. But yeah, very nice park. Definitely have to come back here again. Alright, here we are back at the camper. That's about a mile walk around the nature trail. It's a nice park. A lot of manufactured homes here. And yeah, I think we paid about $40 a night full hookup, maybe 45. Part of the Sun Resort community.
Good afternoon, folks. I'm Jake with Captain Justin, and this is Captain Clay. And not training, he's training how to run this route, so to speak. He's an experienced boat captain. So, first thing I like to say always is it's polite to look at the guy talking, but today don't do that. Look out in the water. That's where the action is, whether it's boats, but we're looking for wildlife. You see a manatee, which is going to be like a little coconut floating up. We're looking for them all the time, but the more eyes on the water, the better. City of Sarasota, 13 miles down there. It's the Pelican flies. If you were to boat straight there, you'd run aground. Right out here, there's a sandbar. These other two boats here, both are waiting for the bridge to open here, and they're going to have to wait about another 10 minutes. Forage for food. Also, their dorsal fins are very unique, either from this distance. If I took a high resolution photo with my my camera, we have fin recognition.
What's that?
That's what I'm talking about.
What is it?
A dolphin. Got a fish. Hey, and they like to play with their food. That's what their mom. Hey guys, how you doing? Hey, right here, looking at us. Look, looking up. Hey, you, how you doing, buddy? You are cool. That's it.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. Young men and women put their life on the line right there, guys. Real comforting. What we're about to look for. Our visitor's sister has about 8,000 samples.
Alright, that was the boat tour we just did, Paradise Boat Tour. I'll put a link in the description of the video. About an hour and a half and $35 per person. It's pretty nice. Yes. Thanks, guys. Alright, we're here at Coquina Beach, hanging out here this Labor Day Sunday. Check out the water in a second. We're going to be here a couple days. Alright, swimming here in the ocean, Gulf of Mexico. Beautiful warm water, but slightly refreshing still. 86,
Yeah.
Still refreshing. It's very nice. And we see the beach is packed this Labor Day weekend. Why, please say hello. Right next to us, there was a wedding setup. I checked in with the groom and asked him if he would like to have a couple of drone shots, which he gladly agreed to. And that's a wrap for this episode. Spend a great time in this area, which is about an hour south of us. We'll come back again here and hope you will join us on the next episode of Our Venture Live. Thank you so much and see you next time.